Problem number 3 is asking how many solutions are there to the equation 3x minus 2y equals negative 60, and what do the solutions have in common? Well, there are infinite number of solutions, right? Any value I put in for x, I can put in a value for y to get that. And so this equation has an infinite number of solutions. But what do I know that they all have in common? That the solutions, all by definition, make it true, and what they have in common is that this is a linear equation. So all those solutions fall on a line when it's graphed, and every one of those points on the line, those infinitely many points, is a solution to the equation. The next question is to find the x and y intercepts of the graphs, and of the x and y intercepts of the equation, and then use it to graph it. So what I need to understand is that I can use this by substituting in 0 for y to get the x-intercept, because where the line crosses the x-intercept, the value of y is going to be 0. Similarly, if I want to find the y-intercept, I can substitute x equals 0, because where the line crosses the y-intercept, the value of x is going to be 0. So let's do each of those. So if I write my equation but putting in 0 for y, I've got 3x minus 2y, where y is 0, equals 60. So 3x equals negative 60, or x equals negative 20. To do the same thing again, so I'm sorry, the x-intercept is negative 20, 0. Do the same thing again but putting in 0 for x this time. So 3 times 0x minus 2y is just going to be negative 2y equals negative 60, divide by negative 2, and I got y equals 30. So the y-intercept is going to be at 0, 30. So to graph it, I just have to go to my point negative 20, 0, and my point 0, 30, and then draw a line between them, because all I need to draw a line is 2 points. I need 2 points to find a line. The third problem it's asking us is to rewrite the equation in a different form that highlights the slope and y-intercept of the graph. The slope-intercept is the slope-intercept form, which is having y on one side, and it is y equals mx plus b. So I can take this one here, take my original equation. Let's put the y on one side and the 60 and negative 60 on the other. I'm going to divide by y, and I have y equals 32x plus 30. Can flip that around, and now what I know is because I have y equals mx plus b, m is my slope of 32, and the y-intercept is 30, just what we had from the last problem when we knew the y-intercept was 0, 30.